Hi, first graders. Welcome to your day 2 for math. We are continuing our writing to explain why math process. The first couple slides we're going to talk about is a review from yesterday. I did receive your assignments, and Miss Burke, Miss Norman, and Miss Wright also let me know about some feedback from their students. So we're going to talk about some common mistakes and how to fix those mistakes, and then move on to the second part of this process. So let's get started. So yesterday we started with our first process, and our question for the week is, what is your favorite food and why? So with this writing, we want to answer the question of what our favorite food is, but then we also want to give reasons of why. So we're really going to have many sentences to this question. So we started with the brainstorm, which is organized in a circle map. The topic of our circle map is favorite foods. And then around it, we have many ideas for favorite food. So we have turkey sandwiches, mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, fruits, and cheese pizza. I decided to write about chicken nuggets this week. So I circled my answer in my circle map. Now that I brainstormed and I picked an answer for my question, I have to focus on the why part of my writing. So for this, we switch over to a different map. So in order to get my reasons why, I have to still look at my circle map. So I'm going to keep it off to the side so that I could always reference it and remember that I chose chicken nuggets. Now, as we get better and as we keep practicing with this writing process, we'll get so good at brainstorming without the circle map that we won't need this guy here next to us. But because this is our first week and we're just getting started and practicing, we really want to keep this circle map visible for us so that we can refer back to anything like, what am I writing about? Because we do want to stay on topic the entire time we're writing. So we are writing about chicken nuggets. And one of the most common mistakes that we saw that first graders were making are that here in these small rectangular boxes, you are putting the food that you like. And then here in this rectangle, the larger rectangle, you're adding all your reasons why you like 4 different types of food. That is not what we are doing. For this question, what's your favorite food? We have to pick just one favorite food. And that one answer, so what I circled in my circle map, what you circled in your circle map, that one answer is going in the big box. That is what the first question is. Above this large box, you see the title or the explanation of what goes in the box, answer, or what you're explaining. So my answer to the question goes here in this rectangle, or what I'm going to explain goes here in this long rectangle. If my question is, what is your favorite food? Then in a sentence, I am answering, chicken nuggets are my favorite food. Okay? So here I have, chicken nuggets are my favorite food. Then everything, all these small boxes are leading into this larger rectangle. So I have this rectangle, and above the title for what these rectangles are for, which are my reasons why. So I have one rectangle for a reason why, 2 rectangles for a reason why, 3 rectangles for a reason why, and 4 rectangles for a reason why, which means I'm going to have 4 reasons why I'm talking about this box here, which is chicken nuggets. So because of this reason, my arrow points to my chicken nuggets. Okay? They're crispy. That's why I like them. So chicken nuggets are my favorite. They're warm. I like warm food. So chicken nuggets are my favorite. I can eat it with different sauces. That's something that I like to do. So chicken nuggets are my favorite. Sometimes it comes with a toy. I love toys. So chicken nuggets are my favorite. So everything here, the small left rectangles, are the reasons why I chose this topic in the large rectangle. So all of these on the left are the reasons why I like chicken nuggets and they're my favorite type of food. Okay? Now, some of you, your teachers may have given you comments about changing it, maybe giving you ideas how to change it. Some of you, you did fine. Your teacher said you're good. Some of you, we didn't have a chance to do it. So before we move on, I want you to make sure you have your own one-sided flow map, just like this guy here, and you're ready to go on to the next part. If you still need help, that's perfectly fine. Remember, this is our first week doing this. Go ahead and do this process with me. It's a lot easier. You'll start understanding it more as we do it together. So go ahead and in your writing, talk about chicken nuggets with me. Copy my topic sentences. Copy my sentences about reasons why. Pause this video and make sure your one-sided flow map matches my one-sided flow map. And then we'll continue on to step 3. So on your piece of paper, you should have a one-sided flow map that looks like this. I put the titles of what should be in the boxes above in white to help you and so that you know what to write in the boxes, but you should not have that. If you want it for right now, you can write it, but these are just labels to help you to know what you write inside the box. If you're working on the slides assignment from yesterday, from Tuesday, then you'll just be typing in these boxes. These labels are going to stay put. But if you're drawing it out on your own notebook paper, then you do not need to write the labels there. That's just to help you know what to write in it. So in this large rectangle, you're going to answer what you're explaining. So for this week, we are explaining what our favorite food is. In this large rectangle, you will be writing what your favorite food is in a sentence. If you remember, my favorite food was chicken nuggets, so I put my favorite food is chicken nuggets or are chicken nuggets. Then you come up with 4 reasons why in sentences. So I had, they are hot, they are crispy, they can be eaten with different sauces, and they may come with a toy. So I have 4 reasons, and these 4 reasons point into what my favorite food is. So again, please make sure you have your one-sided flow map correctly filled out before moving on with this presentation. If you want, rewind a little bit, pause it at my slide, of my favorite food, and you could follow along with my process. I will also have a screenshot of my one-sided flow map on your assignment so that you can copy it there in a larger format as well. But please do not continue on with the video until you are ready with a completed one-sided flow map. Okay, boys and girls, at this time you should have your flow map complete. I'm going to bring mine back out here so that I can reference it because I will need it to make my next type of map. So we already did a one-sided flow map. I have my answer to my question, which is what is your favorite food? And I have 4 reasons why. This one-sided flow map really helps me to organize my thoughts, but now I need a different type of flow map to help organize my writing because we do want to make a nice 5-sentence paragraph with the answers and all the parts to answering an opinionative writing. So I have here a flow map that we are used to using in class. Now I have above each square the words first, also, and last. So this is going to be my first event, my also event, so another event that goes with it, and my last event. However, we're used to using this for stories and events. Here, we will not be using them for stories and events. We will be using them for reasons. So this box is for my first reason why. Also, reason why. And this one would be for my last reason why. And so down here I have a little label for you. In these 3 boxes, you put reasons why. This one's first, the arrow helps me go to the second one, and then this arrow helps me go to the last one. Now these words are large and in white because those are my transition words. So those are kind of the words that help piece my first sentences with the next sentence. So these words, even though they're outside of the box, they will still be used in your paragraph. And we'll talk about that more on tomorrow's assignment. But for now, just know when we have our flow map, we have transition words. And for this assignment and for the next couple of weeks, I will give you the transition words until you get a better hang of what transition words we can use. So if I look here at my one-sided flow map, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons why. But here on my writing flow map, I only have enough for 1, 2, and 3 reasons why. And that's because we want to make sure that we're not repeating ourselves and really getting all the juicy details in there that we want to highlight our topic. So I have to go into my one-sided flow map and I have to choose which 3 are the most important reasons why I like chicken nuggets. They're all important to me, but I want to keep the most important. So I have, they are crispy, they are warm, I can eat it with different sauces, and sometimes it comes with a toy. So I do really like the sauce and the toy part because I like toys, and you can't really eat all your foods with different types of sauces, so that makes chicken nuggets unique. Now I have to choose between they are crispy and they are warm. And really, when food is crispy, it's usually warm because it's crispy because it's been cooked long. So I'm going to keep they are crispy, and I'm going to get rid of they are warm. Now I have my 3 reasons why. I'm going to move these reasons why over to my sequential flow map. So far I have first, they are crispy. Also, I can eat it with different sauces. Last, sometimes it comes with a toy. So all of these 3 talk about why. But what about answering the question, what is your favorite food? That was explained in my one-sided flow map. Now I have to move this onto the top of my flow map here. And this top sentence is going to be called our intro sentence or introduction sentence. And just like if you are introduced to a friend, you say, "Hi, my name is." This sentence is going to say, "Hi, reader. This is what I'm talking about." So this top sentence is going to answer the question. And since our question is, what is your favorite food? This part over here, chicken nuggets are my favorite food, is going to turn into my introduction sentence. So this will be the beginning of my paragraph, the middle of my paragraph, and now I need the end of my paragraph, which is called a closing sentence. This sentence is going to say, "Okay, I'm done. I'm leaving. Hope you enjoyed it." So our closing sentence has to still be on topic. It has to still be about your favorite food. So for my sentence, it's still going to be about chicken nuggets. I am no longer giving reasons why. I'm just giving a fun fact about chicken nuggets and them and me liking the chicken nuggets. So I'm going to start at my intro sentence and kind of just read through the whole thing and see what I can say at the end. Chicken nuggets are my favorite food. First, they are crispy. Also, I can eat it with different sauces. Last, sometimes it comes with a toy. I can eat chicken nuggets all the time. This sentence is telling me that chicken nuggets, again, are my favorite. And because of these reasons, I can eat them always, all the time. So today's task is going to be to do a flow map with your introduction sentence, your 3 reasons why, and I will give you your transition words, and then your closing sentence. You will fill it out. However, you can also copy mine so we can see, just get used to the process of writing. I know it's a lot of information. I know it's a long process and it kind of loops around, but we have to get used to using the thinking maps this way, because as you go on to 2nd, 3rd, 4th grade, you need to know these processes so that harder paragraphs and long essays are easier to write for you. Okay, so try to copy mine down. If you want, try to use your own. Your teacher will give you feedback about how your flow maps are looking. Okay.